This is my Denver View. I'm Amy Cesario, a local real estate expert, and I'm excited to welcome you. Whether you are a proud Denverite or someone looking to move to our vibrant Denver metro area, you are in the right place. Are you looking for a view of the spectacular Rocky Mountains? Or perhaps you're looking for the perfect condo, your urban oasis in the heart of our city. Either way, I've got you covered. With 24 years of experience, I've been helping clients navigate the Denver real estate market and the charm of neighborhoods from Union Station all the way to Parker, Colorado. It's not just about finding a house, it's finding the perfect home for you. I take pride in not just selling properties, but homes that match my clients' lifestyles. Check out a few of the houses I've sold, creating dream homes for singles and families, primary homes, second homes, whether it's securing the ideal condo or it's making savvy and strategic decisions in this dynamic real estate market. I'm here for you. I share tips and tricks to make your real estate journey a smooth one. Whether it's helping you understand the current market's trends, great schools, or the hidden gems, you're going to find all of that right here. If you're ready to embark on an exciting adventure in Denver, hit the subscribe button and let's make your dreams come true. I'm Amy Cesario, your Denver Realtor. I'll see you on the next episode of My Denver View.